Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So if you're a business owner and you're looking forward to change your WhatsApp business account into a smart AI assistant, in just 5 minutes I'm going to tell you how you can do that. Okay, so I've already created a bot that I will show you how it is going to work. Okay, so this is the AI assistant, and towards this assistant I will send my first message. The first message is I need help. Okay, so I'm going to ask for the help first. So you can see I've received the reply instantly. I'm here for you. Could you please provide a bit more detail about what you need help with? Okay, so I have my first question, that is, what is Cloud Sync Pro and how does it work? Okay, so this is my first question, asking of what this business is about and how this software works. Okay, so as I've asked this question, you can see I've instantly received the reply explaining what the software is about. Over here you can see it has given the points of what all the services that we provide and how it works. Okay, so now I have another question to ask to this bot, that is, what happens if I exceed my monthly task limit? Okay, so I have another question that I've asked right over here to this bot, and you can see I have received a reply instantly. If you exceed your monthly task limit on Cloud Sync Pro, your workflows will pause until the limit resets at the beginning of the next billing cycle. Okay, so this is how this amazing AI assistant, our smart AI assistant, is going to reply to all our customers and leads without you lifting up your finger. So now let us create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. So you can see I've already landed towards Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. To come to this page, you need to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay, so now over here, what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool using which you can manage your WhatsApp conversations very easily and efficiently. And if you want to add your WhatsApp business number inside Pabbly Chatflow, what you need to do is simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number. You will find the video links in the description section below that will tell you how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account and its features. Now to create an AI assistant, simply from the left side of the panel, go towards the AI assistant section right over here. Now over here, after coming to AI assistant section, we are going to create a new AI assistant. For that, click on this add AI assistant button. Okay, for the name of the assistant, I'm going to give it over here as AI assistant itself. Okay, you can give the name according to your requirement, your business name or anything. Okay, then I will add the AI assistant from here, and simply the AI assistant has now been created. Firstly, you have to give the AI instructions. So for the type, I will select the AI agent as the type. As soon as you're going to select the type, over here the instructions are automatically pre-written. If you want to add more points, you can definitely do that and write it right here. Okay, next for the AI configuration, first is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1, 0 being more focused replies that this AI assistant is going to give, and 1 being more creative. I want the reply between these two range, so I've selected over here as 0.5. okay, AI to use OpenAI. For the model, I will use GPT-4o mini. Okay, next is API key. We'll find the key over here in this hyperlink. Okay, we are going to find the key from our OpenAI account. After coming to the API key section of OpenAI, click on this create button. Firstly, I'm going to name the key. For the name, let's suppose I'll write it as new01 as the name of the key right here. Project is going to be default, permissions as all. Create the key from here. Simply copy this key as it is going to be created, paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. Now this key is going to be added. You can see the notification. Next is AI assistant settings. Header message, if you want a header message, toggle this button on. Similarly for the footer message, if you want that, you can toggle the button on. Stop keywords. Stop keywords are the words using which our lead or the customer can stop this AI assistant. My stop keyword is stop, so I'm going to enter the word, press the enter key to save it. You can enter as many keywords according to your requirement. If you want to add the retry attempt, you can toggle this button on. Okay, fallback message, if this API key is not working, this message that is written over here is going to be forwarded. You can edit this message according to your business requirements. Okay, now next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is the data from which this AI assistant is going to read, study about a business, and then through that base it is going to send a reply to our leads or customers on WhatsApp. So now over here I've created a knowledge base for my business. In this video I've taken my business as a software in the name of Cloud Sync Pro. So for this business I have created this knowledge base in which I have given the detail of what this business is about. I have given a brief of how it is going to work, what are the things, steps, prices, everything has been mentioned over here in this knowledge base. Now this is just a dummy document, that is why you will see very less information, but you can write about your business in brief in this knowledge base, and you can upload two types of files, PDF and TXT over here in the knowledge base. Now if your PDF has images, you can add only 10 pages of that PDF file. Okay, I'm going to upload my PDF file directly over here. As soon as I will upload it, you can see your file under this knowledge sources section, upload file. You can see the vector ID, that means this knowledge base has been uploaded. Okay, so now next is assistant interface. Now if you want to add this assistant on your website, and from the website this assistant is going to work, this is how your assistant is going to be visible. And if you want to make any changes in this assistant look or the things that I've written over here on the assistant interface, you can change it from here. Like first is the brand name. Now what is the name of my business? I've already told you it's what? It's Cloud Sync Pro. So what I'll do is I'm going to simply add this brand name right over here, Cloud Sync Pro. Okay, you can add your business name right here. If you want to change this line, change it from here. You can add 2 initial messages, only maximum 2. So you can write the initial message according to your requirement. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be visible, enable disable it from here. If you want a footer text, add your footer text as well as the link right over here. And what is your user's initial first message usually? So I've written it as I need help. You can edit it according to your requirement. Next is styling. Now according to your brand, if you want to do a branding of your own colors, backgrounds or the images, you can change all the colors, backgrounds and profile pictures from here in this interface. Okay, so now this AI assistant is created. Simply it was very easy. Okay, toggle this button on to activate the AI assistant and click on the save AI assistant button, and the AI assistant has now been successfully created. If you want to add this AI assistant on your website, click on this embedded. This is the script copied from here, added on your website code, and the AI assistant is going to be added there. Okay, now as this AI assistant is created, we have to assign this AI assistant to whom? To our contact list. For that, simply what we can do is we have to go to settings and inbox settings option right over here. After coming to inbox settings, scroll down and you need to go towards this AI auto reply settings. I am going to enable this button right over here, and I am going to assign the AI assistant that I have created. This is the one that I've created right over here, to all my contacts. Okay, and then I will save it right over here. Now as I've added this AI assistant to all my contact list, you can also assign the AI assistant to individual contacts in your inbox section. Go to your inbox section, select any of your contact, and you will find this option next to the contact, choose AI assistant. Toggle this button on and add the AI assistant from here and save it. In this manner, you can assign AI assistant to the contacts or the leads from whom you receive the messages. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to test this AI assistant that we have created. So for that, let me open my WhatsApp. Message is I need help, so I'm going to send this message. As soon as I forwarded this message, instantly this AI assistant has replied, I'm here to help, could you please share more details? So my first question over here is going to be, what is your refund policy? Okay, I forwarded this question. I've received the reply. The refund policy for Cloud Sync Pro states the refunds are available within 7 days of purchase, but only if no workflows has been executed and if you face critical platform issues that remains unsolved by support. Okay, so I've received this reply. My next question is, what payment methods do you accept? Okay, I'm going to send this question. I've received the reply. Cloud Sync Pro accepts the following payment methods. These are the payment methods you can see right here. I have a last question. What is the cost of your different plans? Okay, I've sent this another question right here, for which I've received this reply right here with the different payment plans. Okay, so this is how this AI assistant is created, and you can now automate your WhatsApp conversations without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you make your WhatsApp conversation very easy and efficient for your business right away? So go ahead, sign up for free and create your amazing Pabbly Chatflow account and automate your entire conversation right away. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.